So how to generate hundreds, even thousands of videos with Kling 2.6 and unlimited images with Nano Banana Pro. Really easy. Here is Higgsfield. Here you can see, for example, you can write a prompt or upload an image. Here I already have some generations with Kling 2.6, and the best part is that you can generate with audio up to 10 seconds, any aspect ratio, and here you can see unlimited. This is insane and only available on Higgsfield. I'm making this video because many people don't know about this. You will get unlimited generations for all of these models for the whole year. I personally bought this, and if we go to Nano Banana Pro image generation tool, here you can see you will write a prompt, upload an image or whatever, and here you will choose up to 2K quality that you can use for unlimited generations, and you will select unlimited, and for the whole year you will be able to generate hundreds, even thousands of images daily, unlimited. That's why I just want to tell you about this opportunity, and the link is in the description for the Higgsfield. And yeah, really crazy. Kling 2.6 and Nano Banana Pro unlimited. And this offer ends December 11th. Maybe they extend it again, but that's basically what I wanted to show you because many people don't know about this. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news like these ones. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.